This is green. This is yellow.
Oh, Mommy still has this one that you didn't open yet.
Wow, she's getting really good at tearing open gifts.
Here you go.
Oh. Wow, Reese, you're really good and great at opening gifts. Okay, here's the top. Open.
It's Charlie Brown Christmas. This is Charlie Brown Christmas.
It's wow, a baby doll.
Pink monkey. Cody.
Whoops, and her strap is come off. Let's fix her
Cody.
That's Cody, yeah.
This is dog.
Cody is a dog, yes sir.
This is baby cat.
It's a baby kid, yes. This is a baby kid.
These two go together, I think. Santa brought them all together for you.
What's that?
Oh,
This is yellow green. It's yellow green.
Uh-huh.
It's yellow green.
Wowee.
Yellow green.
Yellow green, yes.
And here are her clothes.
This is yellow green. And this is yellow.
Look, she's
Chili.
got her own blocks to play with.
This is a Charlie Brown Christmas.
Where? The music?
This is Crayola.
Crayola.
Wow.
We'll open the bathtub.
Well, there's other stuff. We'll do that later, Alex. Washables.
Bathtub crayon.
Yeah. Oh, look, and this is is this open? I don't know. I don't think so. This is her birthday
This is
cake.
blue green. This is blue green. This is blue green.
Uh-huh.
That was blue green. It's
Here
blue.
are all her toys.
This is it's blue. This is blue.
That's blue. That's red,
What do
Alex.
you think of that?
Oh, look, the little doll's got little toys.
She's got her own toys.
Shoes.
And she's got shoes. You can change her shoes. Let me take her shoes off here. Oh, and she's got little sockies.
Bubbles.
Wow, isn't that interesting? So
This is baby penguin.
you know, this is your trip, you know. Little shoes and socks and everything. Lots of little parts to get lost.
The shoes theme.
Okay, oh, you want me to open
Yeah.
this one? Oh boy.